Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the high contrast font on your Android or Samsung phone. So you want to go to your settings, click on accessibility from the list, then click Envision Enhancement. Now from here you will see in the list high contrast font. Now if your phone does not have high contrast display mode enabled, you can go ahead and you can apply that by select it under the display mode and click on apply. Now from here you will see that it automatically enable the high contrast font for you, so you can go ahead and you can turn this on and off whenever you want. You also have the option to enable the high contrast font shortcut. This is up to you. You can see that you can choose whichever option you want, so you can go ahead and you can select the one that you want, then click on OK, and you will now have the high contrast font at the bottom of your phone. So you can always tap on that. As you can see there, it is there, on or off, as you can see. So you can easily turn this off at any point in time you wish. And that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple.